Welcome to the future of digital reality. Today, we're diving into the MetaDyn SDK, your key to building the next generation of the metaverse. This powerful SDK is designed for metaverse builders who want to create immersive, high-performance spaces using cutting-edge, open-source technology. The MetaDyn platform is a production-ready foundation, offering enterprise-grade infrastructure and advanced tools right out of the box. We are committed to open-source excellence, ensuring you have the flexibility and power needed to innovate without limits. Let's look at the heart of our offering, the MetaDyn Pavilion platform. This platform provides a robust, production-ready base for all your metaverse creations. It's built on a foundation of industry leaders, Unity 6 for robust development, integrated with Hyperfy, and ThreeJS for web optimization. Scalability is essential for the modern metaverse. Discover our seamless multiplayer capabilities. We offer enterprise-grade multiplayer infrastructure, ensuring reliability and performance for large-scale deployments. Experience seamless sessions supporting over 100 concurrent users, thanks to optimized infrastructure leveraging Unity gaming services. The MetaDyn SDK goes beyond the basics with several advanced immersive features. Our integrated spatial voice chat ensures natural and immersive communication as users navigate your digital space. Integrate embodied AI agents capable of multimodal conversations and realistic lip syncing, bringing your virtual worlds to life. MetaDyn is built for creators, providing you with all the tools necessary to realize your vision. Gain access to 36 custom SDK components designed to streamline development and enhance functionality. Utilize our comprehensive world-building tools to design, develop, and deploy complex virtual environments with efficiency. And with our simplified one-click deployment process, you can get your metaverse space up and running instantly. The MetaDyn SDK offers the most advanced, open, and reliable platform for metaverse creation. Ready to build your next-gen metaverse space? Visit metadyn.xyz to explore the SDK and start creating today.